Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the 2023 Tata Harrier Facelift, which is one of the most popular SUVs in the market right now. The Harrier has received a major update this year with many changes to its exterior, interior, features and performance. But is it worth buying? Let's find out by looking at its pros and cons. First, let's talk about the pros of the Harrier 2023. One of the biggest advantages of this SUV is its stunning design. The Harrier has always been a head turner, but the new facelift makes it look even more modern and futuristic. The front grille, the LED DRLS, the projector headlights, the 18-inch alloy wheels and the distinctive tail lights give it a loads of character and presence on the road. The Harrier also offers some unique color options such as sunlight yellow, coral red and sweet green, which make it stand out from the crowd. Another pro of the Harrier 2023 is its spacious and comfortable cabin. The Harrier offers ample room for 5 passengers and their luggage with the boot space of 445 liters. The interior quality has also improved with soft touch materials and better fit and finish. The Harrier also comes with different interior color themes depending on the variant or persona you choose. You can opt for a black grey, brown black or yellow black combination to suit your taste. The Harrier also offers many premium features such as fully digital 10.25-inch driver display, a larger 12.3 touchscreen infotainment system, a Kenny airbag, a power tailgate with gesture-based opening, rear sunshade, a powered co-driver seat and more. The third pro of the Harrier 2023 is its powerful and refined performance. The Harrier is powered by a 2.0-liter diesel engine that produces 167 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque. It is mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission. The engine is smooth and responsive with good low end torque and linear acceleration. The gearbox is also smooth and quick to shift gears. The Harrier also offers 3 driving modes: Eco, City and Sport that alter the engine response and steering feel according to your preference. The Harrier also has a good ride quality and handling thanks to its Omega ARC platform, drive from Land Rover's D8 platform. It absorbs bumps and potholes well while maintaining stability and composure around corners. Now let's move on to the cons of the Harrier 2023. One of the drawbacks of this SUV is its high price tag. The Harrier is priced in the range of 15 to 25 lakh ex-showroom, which makes it one of the most expensive SUVs in its segment. While it's offering many features and benefits, it also faces tough competition from rivals such as the MG Hector or the Mahindra XUV 700, which offer similar or more features at low prices. The Harrier also misses out on some features that are available in other SUVs such as sunroof, wireless charging, ventilated seats, connected car technology and more. Another con of the Harrier 2023 is its limited engine and transmission options. The Harrier only comes with the diesel engine option, which may not appeal to some buyers who prefer petrol engines or hybrid options for better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. The Harrier also doesn't offer an all-wheel drive option or an off-road mode, which limits its capability on rough terrains or slippery conditions. The third cons of the Harrier 2023 is its service and maintenance cost. The Harrier is not known for its reliability and durability, as there have been reports of various issues and glitches with its electronic sensor, software and hardware components. The service network of the Tata Motors is also not very widespread or consistent in terms of quality and customer satisfaction. The spare parts and labor cost of the Harrier are also higher than some of its competitors. So these are some of the pros and cons of the Tata Harrier 2023 facelift that I wanted to share with you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.